The Sorrow Spacey. This story is about conversation between the space and the creator. We know space for vastness, beauty, and miracle lightings. But space is talking to God about the injustice that God had done to it. Once space was very upset and gloomy. Observing it, God questioned the reason for its sadness. Space started complaining that you, God, are very partial to other four elements land, water, fire, wind, and did lot of injustice to it. They can create a bond between them. Water can play with earth, wind can be entertained around the earth and into the water waves. Fire can give warmth to the land. Fire blends with water to keep it warm, and with wind it binds to decrease its pressure. Neither I can blend nor bind with either of them. Why me? I am the only one left all alone. They neither look at me nor feel me. God patiently listened to the grievances of the space and said, "You are not happy? You are not worthy, right?" Space replied, "Yes, of course. Can you see something beyond you?" Space replied, "Nope." "Can you see anything on earth?" Space replied, "Everything." Space started arguing with God. If wind, water, land wants to meet, they have their get together. Sometimes they stay together. Fire doesn't exist where there is no air. They are best of friends. Why was I left all alone? Started weeping. God smiled and said, "Dear Spacey, you are able to see all of them and compare. But they look at you so mysteriously and admire your vastness. They are happy because they don't compare them with others. You are unhappy because you forgot to admire yourself. Everyone wants to reach you, touch you, understand you because you are so very mysterious and teaching them that there is something beyond them. You have lovely stars with adorable moon is always playing with you. Sun is trying to maintain your temperature. You are something not to be compared. You reflect in atmosphere the aurora. You see your friends and so you are worried. But they don't see others. Instead, they live a content life. Space was convinced and thanked God for making it very unique and special. Let us live our lives without comparing. Instead, we'll count our blessings